Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse for the brake light switch, you may have up to 3 fuses guys, and if your brake lights do not work, we have a special video that will explain what causes that and how to fix it, how to test brake light switch and all that. But in today's video we will explain where all 3 fuses are located. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So this is guys the engine compartment right here under the hood. This is the fuse box that we need to work on guys. So right here we have one tab here, one there. You need to squish and pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuses are printed, but you cannot clearly see what they are guys. So what we did, we actually tried to make a copy of that thing and zoom it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail where the fuses are located now. The first fuse guys that we need to check, okay, it's pretty simple. It's called stop LP, stop lamp guys. Okay, right here, this is a 15 amp fuse. So starting from this side, 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, even though if you're missing a fuse, you still count it. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3. That 15 amp fuse, that's a stop LP, that's for the lamps guys. So if you need to replace it, okay, you grab the fuse puller, grab it, okay, like that, pull it out. Now, it's super important guys to actually test the fuses. Never assume that the fuse is good or bad, always test them, because sometimes you think you have a good fuse guys, okay, and you put it in and you're going to spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima when all you had to do test it, find out it's bad and replace it. Even test the new fuses guys before you put them in. We have a special video that teaches you how to do that in a few seconds. Practically you can test your fuse, and we'll share the link in the description of the video below. So okay, that being said, you have 2 more guys, okay, that you need to check. 2 more fuses. One of them is ABS number 3. Okay, that fuse, 10 amp fuse, 1, 2, 3. So if you come this way, 1, 2, 3, 10 amp fuse, it's this fuse right here that you need to check. Okay, that's very important fuse. And the third fuse guys, it's known as backup lamps. Okay, it's part of the brake light switch as well and that system. So this fuse, okay, right here, check this one out as well guys. Very important fuse, these 2 fuses and the one right here. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.